Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darci, where we take the simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today I am participating in a challenge hosted by Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and it's a spring decor challenge, and I'd love to show you how I've decorated for spring. Most of the decorations in our home this time is just in the kitchen because that's the main area that I've decorated. I don't do the living and dining or any other area. I feel like those just need to be regular, but the kitchen is where we spend most of our time, and so this is where I'd like to spend time doing the extras. So this is on our counter here, but let's start right here on the kitchen table. So if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you will see that the kitchen table is where we do most of our dining, of course, and it's pretty much set like this all the time. Not with these colors, of course, but it's always set with a place setting and a floral arrangement or something in the middle, because it's very easy to remove these place settings and put our regular place settings on when we're ready to eat. Now, this is a turntable that we keep all our meals on, so whatever is being shared at the table goes on this turntable. I like always to call this my signature fold on the napkins, because this is where most of the napkins are folded on our dining table here in the kitchen. Now let's go over here to the island. This is a recent spring vignette, spring kitchen vignette that I did for another challenge. So it's still here because I really like it and it's very fitting and very appropriate, I think. So this stays on the counter most of the time when the counter is not being used, of course. This is an overview of what the kitchen looks like decorated for spring. This is actually the door to our pantry. And this is the entryway to our dining area. But we're not going to be doing the dining area, of course, because it's not decorated. It's just the kitchen. I also have done a little bit of decoration on the mantle, so I'll show that to you as well. And of course, this is just a duplicate of the candlesticks that I have by the counter in my kitchen. So this is just the duplicate. These are just the duplicates here on this mantle. So that's what my kitchen my great room actually looks like, but mostly the kitchen is where we're focusing on today. So this is an overview of the kitchen from the sitting area here, all decked out for spring. So again, thank you, Christina, for hosting this challenge. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Please have a wonderful day. Don't forget to go over to Christina's channel, see the playlist, because she'll have that listed as well. Watch all the other participants. subscribe to their channels. I'd also love for you to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you for stopping by, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Goodbye and good luck.